Have you noticed your legs feeling weaker than they used to? Stairs feel harder. Standing up takes more effort. Balance doesn't feel as solid. If you're over 50, this isn't just getting older. It's often the first sign of muscle loss in the legs, and most people don't realize that food plays a bigger role than exercise alone. Today, I'm going to reveal one overlooked food that helps seniors rebuild leg strength, protect mobility, and support muscle naturally. Why leg weakness happens after 50. After 50, the body becomes less efficient at using protein. Even if you eat well, your muscles don't absorb nutrients the same way they once did. This leads to gradual muscle loss in the thighs, hips, and calves, the muscles you rely on for walking, balance, and getting out of a chair. Exercise helps, but without the right nutrition, muscles won't rebuild properly. That's where this food comes in. The secret food for stronger legs. The food is eggs, especially whole eggs. Eggs are rich in leucine, an amino acid that directly triggers muscle repair. High-quality protein that's easier for older adults to absorb. Vitamin D and B12, which support muscle strength and nerve function. Studies show that seniors who regularly consume leucine-rich protein maintain better leg strength and mobility, even with light daily activity. Why eggs work so well for seniors? As we age, muscles need a stronger signal to grow. Eggs provide that signal. They help preserve thigh and hip strength, improve walking stability, lower fall risk by supporting lower body muscle mass. That's why eggs are often recommended specifically for older adults, not just athletes. How to use this food correctly. For best results, eat 1 to 2 whole eggs, ideally in the morning or after light movement. Pair with vegetables or healthy fats. Be consistent, daily habits matter more than large portions. No powders. No extreme diets. Just simple, smart nutrition that supports your body. Strong legs mean freedom. Freedom to walk confidently, climb stairs, and stay independent. If you want more science-backed tips for seniors on strength, balance, and mobility, make sure to subscribe to this channel. New videos every week to help you stay strong as you age. And right now, watch the video on your screen where I show you a simple movement that helps activate your leg muscles safely at home. I'll see you in that video.